Nettle, Urtica dioica, is more than just a stinging weed. It's a powerhouse herb backed by science for supporting kidney health and managing anemia. First, the kidneys. Nettle acts as a gentle diuretic. Its active compounds, particularly flavonoids, potassium salts, and chlorophyll, increase urine output and help flush toxins. This supports kidney filtration and reduces uric acid, making it helpful in early stages of kidney insufficiency and gout. Now for anemia. Nettle is rich in iron, vitamin C, and folates, which are essential for red blood cell production. Unlike iron supplements, nettle provides both the mineral and its cofactors, especially vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption. A 2016 study in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine confirmed nettle's ability to raise hemoglobin and serum iron levels in anemic patients over just 8 weeks. Here's a simple, potent nettle juice recipe. 1 cup fresh nettle leaves. Handle with gloves. 1 cup water. Juice of half a lemon. Boosts iron absorption. Blend, strain, and drink half cup daily, 3 to 4 times per week. Full recipe for nettle syrup is in the description. Cautions. Nettle may interact with blood thinners, like warfarin, diuretics, and blood pressure medications, potentially amplifying their effects. Consult your doctor if you're on these meds. Please follow for more clinically backed herbal insights crafted by scientists and grounded in evidence. Thanks for watching.